Hello everyone. I wanted to answer one of the questions that we didn't really cover last week. John was asking about how those pages can be changed. His question was specifically how the GPA calculation JavaScript can be modified. I'm going to show how PowerSchool is truly a web-based system. Every page within PowerSchool can be changed, or you can add additional pages as well because does have a true web root on the server. As a matter of fact, there are two web roots. One is the core, what we deliver web root, and then there is a custom web root where any changes to the pages are made live in the custom web root. And the way that we make sure that none of your customizations are broken during updates is that we only change the delivered core web pages. So those will be changed as a part of updates. And when somebody, a user like I am here, accesses one of the links, PowerSchool will look in the custom web root, see if there is a custom page there. If there is, it'll deliver the custom page to the end user. If there isn't, then it will go to the web root that we deliver and deliver the canned core product page. So down on the bottom left-hand corner, if I have access to the custom page manager, that is where I can open it. And I'm going to go ahead and click that link and open the custom page manager. It's loading right now. And the very first thing you're going to see when the page loads is the file structure of the web root. So let me come up here and just close up some of these files. I'm going to scroll up further to the top and close that up. So here we're looking at the top level of all of the different folders and files and image files that live on the server. And if I go back to my HTML5 page, so keep your eye down on the bottom right, and just like on any page, as I hover over a link, it's going to show me the path file to that page. So in this case, you can see that it's on the server in the directory admin, also in the directory school setup, and there's a home.html in there. So let's go to our custom page manager. I'm going to open up admin, and I'm going to scroll down to the school setup directory, and it's down there in alphabetical order. And school setup, there it is. So I'm going to open that up as well. And in this file structure, there are some additional pages. This is where we're doing that GPA calculation, and I can see those files here. That's where I would modify the JavaScript, or one of the places that I would do that. But let's do a simple exercise. In the home.html, and I'm going to go ahead and open this, go to that file, reopen it. Okay, so the home.html, this is all of the HTML code that makes up the page school setup. So let's go ahead and load that page. So the delivered page is being loaded, and if I wanted to make a quick modification to it, I can do that on the fly. One of the things that we do have in PowerSchool is all of our text on the page is keyed, which makes it easy to change words within PowerSchool, and that's true of any word in PowerSchool. In our localization administration manager, so you can modify the words. It's used typically to change from English to another language, but it can be used to change, for example, every place student appears in PowerSchool. You can change that to learners if you wanted to, and that's using the web interface, the localization manager. But that's why these are keyed out the way that they are. So this text represents the school setup text that we see on the top. So if I wanted to add something after that text, like a standard programming thing that I would do, like hello world, and a few exclamation points, and then I'm going to publish this. I can tell that that file is saved, and if I come back to my school.html and refresh the page right here, or just hitting the hotkeys to refresh the page, once it loads, oh, and I put it in the wrong spot. So I'm going to go back to my custom page manager, and I'm going to highlight it. As you know, with coding, typically things take a time or two. I'm going to put it next to the attendance, and I'm going to publish that page instead. and come back and refresh it one more time, and we should see the Hello World right next to attendance. So that's where you can see that this is a simple change, but it's true of any of our web pages. You can make changes to them, and when I do make those changes, then they're live, immediately available. Yes, most districts do have a development server that they can do this type of work on, and I'm also going to include some text of the different options and how easy it is to make a development server available. So let's go ahead and change this because this is our active server. I'm going to clear out the Hello World, and I'm going to publish that. And now when I come back and refresh that page, it will be gone from my attendance text and I'm back to the page. Now, what I've done is I've created a custom home.html in the file structure, and it places what PowerSchool does when I do make a change like that. It will automatically place that home.html under the school setup directory in my custom web root. And what that does is PowerSchool will then look to see if there's a page there. It finds it, it delivers that page. If it is not there, then it will deliver the CAN page. So that's a quick look at how we handle customizations. You do have the ability to customize anything that you want in PowerSchool. And you can add additional pages as well simply by going ahead and right-clicking on one of the pages and going to upload. You can upload a file that you've done, or you can create a brand new page within PowerSchool. So really, PowerSchool is designed to be very changeable. And this just at least gives you some understanding of how those changes could be made. Again, it is permissions based. Very few people should have access to these pages and to the custom page manager, but it is something that PowerSchool is designed to be able to do easily. I hope this was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions relating to this. Thank you.